Oops. Cancel. Good afternoon, friends. This is Mrs. Carter. Welcome to Math 1.6. It is Tuesday, September 15th. Two things. One, tonight is open house for school. We are doing it virtually, so your parents should have information about joining us online. Second thing is we will be having a test over this unit on Friday. So I hope that you have been doing your classwork. Let's get started on 1.6. Let me go ahead and present my screen. Last week we did all addition. This week we are learning about subtraction. Yesterday we learned that the word more than meant subtraction or take away, however you want to say it. Today they're going to use a new word. I want you to be listening for the word that tells us it's take away. Here's our friendly Mr. Math Robot. Let's see what he has to say today.
Troy has 5 red cars. Barb has 9 green cars. How many fewer cars does Troy have than Barb? 5 is less than 9. Troy has fewer cars. Use cubes to compare. The red cubes stand for Troy's cars. The green cubes stand for Barb's cars. You can count the extra cubes Barb has to find how many fewer cubes Troy has. One, 2, 3, 4. Troy has 4 fewer cars. You can also subtract to compare. 9 minus 5 equals 4. What does the number 9 in the equation stand for? Select your answer.
Well, we know this is Troy's car, and this is Barb's car. Let's see how many that Troy has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Barb has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are Barb's cars.
The number 9 shows Barb's cars. The number 5 shows Troy's cars. Troy has 4 fewer cars.
Okay, let's go back to this is an activity we will not be doing. Let me climb back over here and find the right place that we are supposed to be at. This is our convince me problem. Let's go back out and hop back in and see if we can find the right spot for us. I don't know why I have so many problems with this, and after 5 lessons, you'd think I'd find it quickly. Here we go. Guided practice. That's where we want to be. Okay, it says Juan has 8 red crayons and Sue has 2 blue crayons. How many fewer crayons does Sue have than Juan? Well, fewer tells me this is a takeaway. That's our new word today. Yesterday was more than, today it's fewer. Well, Juan has 8 crayons. We're going to minus, subtract, take away 2, which equals 6. So Sue has 6 fewer crayons. Another way of saying that is Juan has 6 more crayons than Sue. Well, Anne has 4 green apples and Sam has 7 green grapes. I'm sorry, she has 4 purple apples and he has 7 green grapes. I keep saying apples. Anne has 4 purple grapes, friends, and Sam has 7 green grapes. How many fewer, oh, here's our word, fewer grapes does Anne have than Sam? Well, I now know it's a subtraction problem. I'm going to go ahead and enter my minus sign, and I'm going to go ahead and add my equal sign so that I know this will be my sum. So I'm going to draw 7 green grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to mark out 4 purple grapes. So I'm going to go ahead and use my red pen or my black marker, and I'm going to mark them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how many fewer grapes Anne has. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. So our sum or answer is going to be 3. Let's write our problem. We know that the bigger number has to come first because if I only had 4, I couldn't take 7 away. It just wasn't enough. So Sam has 7, Anne has 4. So poor Anne, she didn't get as many grapes as Sam. She has 3 fewer grapes. Remember that this number and this number are called the add-ins, and the number after the equal sign is called the sum. Okay, now it's your turn. Today, I would like for you to try the problem-solving higher order thinking. That's number 8, this one right here, and number 9, all on your own. Okay, try both of these on your own today and see if you have any questions. Be sure to ask me tomorrow if you do. So just a reminder, let me stop presenting here, that tonight is our open house. It is going to be done on either Google Meets or Google Teams, and your parents should have already received information from the school about that. First grade will be on a Google Meet, and we will be answering questions for your parents. Also, remember, you need to stay on top of your math lessons this week because we will be having a test on Friday on Unit 1, addition and subtraction. I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you soon.